Korean beef, Bibimbap style. I think that's how you say it. Follow me.
This is honestly one of the easiest and tastiest meals ever, and it's become one of my go-tos. You're gonna want to start with cucumber, beef, rice, onion, garlic, green onion, carrots, soy sauce, chili flakes, oyster sauce, sugar, sesame oil, and black pepper. Now, ginger is optional, but I won't be using it. Let's start with 2 cups of rice. Beautiful. Now we're gonna wash our rice because we're clean. Once our rice is washed, we're gonna add 4 cups of water. And once that's done, we're gonna turn on our rice cooker. Now let's make our sauce. Start with soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of sugar, ground black pepper, oyster sauce, chili flakes, and last but not least, sesame oil, or in my case, I didn't have any sesame oil, so I did olive oil, and it works just as well. Next, you're gonna wanna put your pan on medium-high, and then let's saute our onions. Once that turns golden brown, we're gonna add in garlic and then our ground beef. Let's smash that up and let it cook for 10 minutes. Once cooked, we're gonna add in our sauce. Now once that cooks for about 10 more minutes, we're gonna put it to medium heat. Now this is the perfect time for us to fry our egg. And voila! Our ground beef is done. Let's top our rice with some ground beef and veggies. And there you have it, a Korean-style caramelized beef